Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tangy Arts and More Christmas Special. Gingerbread Man, Santa Claus, Reindeer. Hey everyone, let's draw reindeer face together. Step 1. Draw a circle. Step 2. Now draw his face. Step 3. Now draw his ears. Step 4. Now draw left horn. Step 5. Now draw right horn. Reindeer face is ready. Hey everyone, let's draw Gingerbread Man together. Step 1. Draw a circle. Step 2. Draw Santa cap. Step 3. Let's draw his face. Step 4. Draw his body. Step 5. Draw a candy stick in his hand. Step 6. Draw some design. Gingerbread Man is ready. Everyone, let's draw Santa Claus together. Step 1. Let's start by drawing H. Step 2. Let's draw his face. Step 3. Let's draw his beard. Step 4. Let's draw Santa cap. Step 5. Let's draw Santa's body. Step 6. Let's draw his hands. Step 7. Let's draw Santa's shoes. Santa Claus is ready. Merry Christmas!